This message is for women in leadership. If you are a woman in leadership within the church or outside of the church walls, we are having a leadership workshop during Movement Conference hosted by CCP, which is September 28th and 29th in San Diego. And we're going to be breaking away, if you are in leadership, to talk about what that looks like. How do we become powerful leaders as women and walk out what God has called us to do? And I have been privileged to ask to share, and my heart is already stirring and burning for what God is going to speak to us as we gather together. I want to do some Q&A. I've been in leadership at Jesus Culture Ministries for the last 10 years, and I'm just so excited to be able to share any of that wisdom and answer any of your questions, and also speak to you girls and women about what it looks like to be a leader as a woman in today's culture within the church and outside of the church. So I hope you can join us.